I'm not.
Hello, 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 beautiful babes. Your girl, Sweet Angel. Oh my goodness. Y'all can tell by the title of this video, your girl is being extra today. I'm being extra special. I'm being extra bougie because your girl got her a teddyblake. A teddyblake? Me? Hey. For sure, for sure. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel, your girl Sweet Angel, and as you can see, this video today is in collaboration with teddyblake. Yes, teddyblake, New York, baby. Your girl got her one. I got one and I can't wait to show it to you. I am like super excited. You know, it was like a dream. And I've seen videos of people getting these purses and I'm like, I want one. And I was so thankful they reached out to me, and honey, I got what I wanted. I got the one I wanted and I'm excited. So excited. Show me how excited you are by dropping a like on the video. Yep, do it right now. Subscribe to the channel. Yep, do it right now, because guess what? It's more great things to come right here. Right here. And behind the scenes, and I'm excited to share them with you. But I just wanted to share y'all the unboxing of this amazing purse, and you saw what I got in the title, right? Well, I'll save it if you didn't pay any attention and you just clicked on the video because you love your girl. I appreciate that, but we're getting ready to talk about it. Let me unbox it right before your eyes and I'll show you me getting the purse and all of that as I share with you the amazement of this awesome handbag. Now, I don't want to miss any of the details of this bag, but just receiving it in, unboxing it, I was super excited. It came nicely packaged, and here's the boxes in, and then this is the inner box. This is the actual teddyblake box. Now, this thing weighed a ton when I got the shipment. It was like so heavy, and I'm like, oh my God, what did I get? So on the box, of course, you will not see the name teddyblake on it at all, because I'm pretty sure, you know, somebody knows what's inside of this box, this luxury handbag. You know, they'll be snatching these things back to back. So thank goodness it did not show the name of it on the packaging. But opening it up, oh my goodness, and it's nicely packaged here. Yes, so let me just take the plastic off. And then you get down to the actual dust bag, which is super nice, heavy duty cloth here. And then voila, voila, voila. Here it is. It is the Bella Croco 15-inch teddyblake bag, handbag. And this is in the color of dark brown. And if you don't know about teddyblake creates handbag designs for every style choice. And when you go on to the website, guess what? Teddyblake has a purse for everyone. And if you don't see the one you want, hold on, let me share this with you. They release a new collection every single month. Yes, and it has teddyblake on the dust cloth, y'all. So nice. Let me just display that name right here for you while I'm doing this video. And girl, this bag, I feel like luxury already. Look at there. Woo! Super nice. Y'all, I just can smell it right now. The premium Italian leather. Did you hear me? Premium Italian leather. Oh my gosh, this bag is everything. I'm so excited. You're going to enjoy the luxury feel and smell of real leather, as all teddyblake bags are made with luxurious leather from Italy's finest pelletries, dyed and treated to withstand the test of time and maintain a luxurious look. And yes, just look at that craftsmanship, just so amazing. I love the detail of it. I love the gold hardware on here. It is super nice, super stylish, and super roomy. Like, I love my handbags. Y'all know, for the most part, I do have some smaller bags that I carry, you know, for special occasions, but on a daily, I would love a larger bag. Now, this one is not going to be an everyday bag. It'll still have its special days to be carried, but honey, when I rock this, I'm rocking it with class and style, and just love it. Just look at that craftsmanship. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Even down to the handles. Oh my God, just beautiful. Now, this bag is made in Italy. Respecting the label's history, they make sure that each teddyblake bag is characterized by high quality construction, attention to detail, imaginative design, shape, and durability, using the same exquisite materials as all luxury brands, as they never ever compromise on quality. And I told you, I'm feeling luxurious. If you want a luxury bag, teddyblake has made it possible for everyone to get a designer handbag with all the key characteristics of any high-end luxury houses, and removing the $1,000 to $2,000 added to the bag just because of the label. With teddyblake, you could enjoy luxury at a fair price always. This is super nice. I can't say enough. I mean, you can look at it yourself to know how amazing it is. Yes, indeed. I'm in love, y'all. Just wanted to share my new luxury moment with y'all and let you know that your girl feels, I mean, I feel rich right now. I do. I'm just super excited. This is the teddyblake Bella Croco 15-inch handbag in dark brown, and this one comes in other colors as well. Yes, it does. Just go to the site and you too will be impressed, as I was. I want to thank teddyblake for gifting this bag to me, and honey, it will be rocked for sure in the most classiest of manner with me. And more than likely, even though I'll keep the shoulder strap on, I'm probably going to put it in the inside of it, and I just love that sleek look right here, just like that. That is so nice. Now I just need to get me some shoes to match, and I'll be really, ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? And beautiful babes, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you love the purse as much as I do. I will have all of the links below. If I have a discount code for you, I will definitely put it across the screen here or in the description box, so make sure you look under the video for any additional information regarding this bag and all of the other amazing bags on the teddyblake website, which you'll find the link in the description box. Y'all, let me go take a little time out with this bag, and I will see you all on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and please share your girl with your world, and let's get luxurious together. I'll see ya. Bye.